How to record shows on Hulu Live TV. I'm going to tell you how to record shows on Hulu Live TV. First, you need a Hulu Plus Live TV subscription. Cloud DVR is built in with either the basic or no ads plan, giving you unlimited recording storage and 9 months to keep what you save. To record, browse the live TV guide or show listings and tap the record plus or red dot icon. This adds the show to My Stuff, and Hulu takes care of recording it every time it airs. You can choose to record just new episodes or include reruns. When you want to watch, go to My Stuff, Recordings, and hit play. Recordings are ready even mid-show, and you can fast forward through commercials if you have enhanced cloud DVR. If you need more DVR features, you can delete old recordings manually or let Hulu overwrite oldest ones automatically. Just note, the DVR works best on supported devices. Some smart TVs can be glitchy, so if something isn't recording properly, try restarting the subscription or using a different device. And if you want local recording, like offline, you'd need to screen record on PC or mobile, but Hulu doesn't offer that natively.